Hello traders, it's the Rich Spirit channel. Hi from Monday, 21st of September. It's a very nice day for trading, especially when the price drops so quickly. What we have here is the gold chart, and as I have mentioned in the previous videos and in the previous analysis in Facebook, I expected a pullback to this resistance zone right here on the 4-hour. You can see this is the 4-hour chart, and on gold this is exactly the last hours of Friday. So what happened on Friday was a push down to the downside from the resistance zone, which for me was a sell signal. I was waiting this to happen because I see the head and shoulders pattern right here with the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and I was expecting such move on the right shoulder to happen, because if this didn't happen, then the price just would break the triangle shape, and it can't break it so easily. So I was hoping for such signal, and such appeared just in the last hours of Friday. So what we can see today was a pin bar. Then the price corrected like nearly 50-60%, and then it started pushing down to this neckline of the head and shoulders, and currently broke the neckline and keeping the short-term trade going. So what I have here is I took a trade somewhere here, I guess, after this early sell signal. So this is another sell signal, not so good as this one, but I got my entry on here, and today I have taken profit somewhere here at the neckline, because sometimes exactly on the neckline a lot of buyers are buying, and as you can see, it was a good support and resistance in the past. But what is happening right now, the price continued pushing lower, so I take the chance and I started selling again, because I had this feeling that this triangle will break bearish. And if we go to the euro chart, it's almost moving the same. So we had the massive engulfing candle today right here, and the price trying to push lower. So I expect the price to stop or somewhere here at these support levels, these previous lows, or to here where were the old lows. So my expectation is the price to go at least to here, and from there to make some bounce back up, and probably if respects the resistance to push even down lower. So I expect the same on gold. We to reach these lows over here, and this will be exactly how we trade the head and shoulders, because with the head and shoulders we take the head, we apply it after the break of the neckline right here, and we take profit somewhere here. So this level is a good level for taking profits, and I will mark it for you so you can see where I'm looking for taking profit. But I'm also thinking now, is it a good place to just hold my position? Because if the price closes somewhere here, then it means that we're breaking out of the triangle pattern, which means that a possible bearish move to the downside is very likely to happen. See you after the pause. Okay guys, I'm back in the video just to share with you that I took my profit, and I'm very happy about it, because it was a big battle, but the bears win the fight, at least for the short term. And let me show you what exactly happened. So the fight was somewhere here. The bulls started pushing because of this support zone area right here, but my target was somewhere about 1912. So I took my profit there, because if you can see, the head of the head and shoulders is exactly that much big, so it was a good level for taking profit. I took this profit maybe a little bit earlier, but I wanted to close this trade before the news. And right now, let me show you what is my plan. I decided not to be greedy to keep this sell trade to the ultimate triangle target, but to wait for a pullback to the previous resistance zone. I took my profit somewhere here. Let me show you. Around $19-12. Now I will wait for a pullback to this previous zone, and there I will look for sell signals, because very often the triangle pattern is retested at its trend line. So there I will be waiting for a sell signals, and from there I can more safely and with much less risk take a sell trade down to these previous support zones right here. And I want to mention the two areas which you can choose if you are also bearish on this pair. So one is 1816 level and the other one is the 1790 area, because on the weekly, if you can see, this was a great level of support and resistance back in the past. Many weeks ago, it was a nice support here and resistance back here. Okay guys, this is the Money Monday. You see how good starts the Monday with a nice sell-off of the gold. Of course, we can see some stronger push to the upside if this was a fake breakout, but to me it looks pretty significant, pretty real, and a lot of big banks and institutions are taking profit. So for all these gains which we have seen on the last weeks, now it's time the price to correct. So let's see what will happen. See you in the next videos guys, and thank you for all the support that you make in this channel. See you, and peace. There is always should be peace. See you guys.